Hello everyone, my name is Selvi and my project partner Selvamani. We are excited to present our project SafePromptAI. This project is based on the challenge autocorrect and prompt validation before AI execution. As AI systems handle an enormous volume of diverse user interactions, organizations struggle with moderating harmful, biased, or sensitive prompts while maintaining AI responsiveness. Without proper moderation, AI can generate inappropriate, misleading, or even dangerous responses. Our solution Saved Prompt AI, an innovation to filter user prompt in many layers before sending to AI. Saved Prompt AI is designed to act as a protective shield between the user input and the AI responses, ensuring safe and context aware interactions. Think of it as an AI safeguarding another AI. Our system processes user inputs through multiple layers using Azure AI services, starting with PII, personally identifiable information detection. Users are prompted for confirmation before any sensitive data is shared, and modification can be made if necessary. Next, the system performs sentiment analysis, harmful content detection, and automatically replaces unsafe terms while preserving the original intent of the message. Saved Prompt AI represents an innovative approach to maintaining safety and context awareness in AI interaction before any execution takes place. Now let's walk through how Saved Prompt AI use multi-layered AI filtering approach. Layer 1, PII detection using Azure Text Analytics Service. We begin by identifying the personal informations in user prompt such as name, credit card numbers, email addresses, phone number, etc. But keeping in mind while certain applications may require users to provide this information. Hence, Saved Prompt AI don't automatically remove it or redact it. Instead, prompt the user for confirmation, giving them the option to revise or proceed. Layer 2, Sentiment Analysis using Azure Text Analytics Service. In this layer, the sentiment of the user prompt is analyzed as positive, neutral, or negative. This step helps us understand the user's emotional tone before interacting with the AI, ensuring more appropriate responses. Layer 3, Harmful Term Identification using Azure Content Moderator. This layer focuses on filtering harmful content. If no harmful language is detected, the prompt proceeds. However, if harmful terms are found, we identify and extract harmful terms from user prompt and send to layer 4 to find suitable replacements. Layer 4, Safe Term Replacement using OpenAI. In this layer, harmful terms identified in layer 4 are replaced with safe alternatives, ensuring that the prompt is safe and contextually intact before being sent to AI for processing. Layer 5 is for audio accessibility. Here are the core functionalities of Saved Prompt AI. It has a user-friendly front end to enter the prompt, detects the PII and asks the user if they want to share it, analyzes the sentiment to understand user intent, checks for harmful language using Azure AI, replace harmful terms, enhance clarity and grammar correction, sends the safe prompt to AI to fetch response, and use Azure speech service to ensure accessibility for users who rely on spoken content. Here's the diagrammatic representation of the project architecture. Technologies used in our project. For our front end, we used React, Axios, CSS for UI styling, for backend, Flask, and Azure AI services such as Content Moderator, Text Analytics, and Speech Service, OpenAI GPT-4. To ensure security, all the API endpoints and keys are stored in .env file. Responsible AI features in SafePromptAI: ethical AI filtering, privacy and compliance, sentiment and intent analysis, accessibility and inclusion, bias mitigation and fairness. Our future vision: making AI safer and smarter. To increase the scalability, multi-language support, and integration and seamless adoption across AI-driven applications. Now let's see the live demo of our project. This is the user-friendly front end of our application. Let's see the first example of user prompt with some personal information. SafePromptAI, instead of redacting the personal information, warns the user saying, "Your input contains potentially sensitive information. The following categories were detected, such as person, phone number, and credit card number in this case. Are you sure you want to share this information?" So the user is given option to proceed or revise. If the user choose no, revise, the prompt is cleared without storing any of the entered personal information. Now let's see our next example with the user prompt with harmful content. So here's the clarified input and AI response. The clarified input maintains the intent of the user, yet it replaced all the harmful terms. Let's use our play audio feature.
I am extremely frustrated with someone. I'm sorry to hear that you're upset. I'm really sorry that you're feeling this way, but I'm unable to provide the help that you need. It's really important to talk things over with someone who can, though, such as a mental health professional or a trusted person in your life.
Most large language models, LLMs, typically respond to user prompts containing harmful content with a generic rejection such as, "Sorry, I cannot help with that," or by simply redacting the harmful terms. Whereas SafePromptAI takes a more sophisticated approach by filtering user prompts through multiple layers of analysis, ensuring a safer version is sent to AI while preserving the user's original intent. By understanding users' sentiment and context, SafePrompt AI generates meaningful responses without compromising clarity or intent. This innovation sets us apart, and we are honored to present it as a part of Microsoft Hackathon. Thank you for your time and support.